Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from Math Olympiad. X square minus x minus 1 is a factor of ax power 17 plus bx power 16 plus 1. Given that a and b are integers, now we have to find unknown a. At first glance, this problem looks actually very hard to solve. But once we will apply the correct properties from algebra, we are going to reach our answer in a quicker time. Now I want you to pause the video right now and try this problem by yourself first. Let us assume u and v are the roots of quadratic expression x square minus x minus 1. So u and v will satisfy this degree 17 expression also. So I will write x equal to u here, or I will put x equal to u. We can write a times u power 17 plus b times u power 16 plus 1 equal to 0. And once we will plug in x equal to v, we will get a times v power 17 plus b times v power 16 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to solve these two equations for the value of a. So we will multiply first equation with v power 16 and second equation will multiply with u power 16. Let's multiply. We will get a times u power 17 v power 16 plus b times u power 16 v power 16 plus v power 16 equal to 0. And second equation, a times u power 16 v power 17 plus b times u power 16 v power 16 plus u power 16 equal to 0. Now we are going to subtract second equation from first one. Let's change the sign. So b u power 16 v power 16 with plus sign, with minus sign. So addition will be 0. Here we will take a common out. U power 17 v power 16 minus u power 16 v power 17. We will take u power 16 v power 16 common out. So in the bracket we can write u minus v. Here we will write plus v power 16 minus u power 16 equal to 0. Now we will take these two terms to the RHS. So I can write a times uv whole power 16 times u minus v. This must be equal to u power 16 minus v power 16. Let us consider this is our first equation. Now I can divide both sides by u minus v and we will get a times uv whole power 16. This must be equal to u power 16 minus v power 16 over u minus v. Now we can use difference of two squares identity. So we will write here u power 8 whole square minus v power 8 whole square in the numerator, and in denominator we have u minus v. Let's apply the difference of two squares identity. We will get u power 8 plus v power 8 times u power 8 minus v power 8 over u minus v. Again we will use difference of two squares identity over here, and we can write a times uv whole power 16 equal to u power 8 plus v power 8 times u power 4 plus v power 4 times u power 4 minus v power 4 over u minus v. Again, we can apply difference of two squares formula here. So we will write u power 8 plus v power 8 times u power 4 plus v power 4. We'll write here u square plus v square times u square minus v square. In denominator, we'll write u minus v. Again, our difference of two squares formula will apply here, and we will write u power 8 plus v power 8 times u power 4 plus v power 4 times u square plus v square, u plus v times u minus v, and in denominator we have u minus v. So we can cancel u minus v from numerator denominator. So finally we have a times uv whole power 16 equal to u power 8 plus v power 8 times u power 4 plus v power 4 times u square plus v square times u plus v. So ultimately we have to find u times v from left hand side. U power 8 plus v power 8, u power 4 plus v power 4, u square plus v square, u plus v. Now we'll be using our given quadratic expression x square minus x minus 1. Let me put equal to 0. Now this is quadratic expression in LHS. RHS is 0. Equation would be quadratic equation with roots u and v. Now we can write x minus u times x minus v in LHS, as we have u and v roots of quadratic. Now we will multiply, we will get x square minus u plus v times x plus uv equal to 0. Now we are going to compare coefficients from both the quadratic equation. If I will compare the coefficient of x square, it is 1. Now I will compare the coefficient of x. We will write u plus v equal to 1. And once we will compare constant, then uv will be equal to negative 1. Now our target is uv is ready. Now we have to find u power 8 plus v power 8, u power 4 plus v power 4, u square plus v square, u plus v is already there. So we have two known values. Let me write our equation. A times uv whole power 16 equal to u power 8 plus v power 8 times u power 4 plus v power 4 times u square plus v square times u plus v. Now we will find these values. So I will consider here u plus v equal to 1 equation. Now I will put part 2 both sides. So we will use a plus b whole square formula, and we will get u square plus v square plus 2uv equal to 1. Now u times v is minus 1. So we will write u square plus v square plus 2 times minus 1 equal to 1. We'll write u square plus v square minus 2 equal to 1. So the value of u square plus v square will be equal to 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2 value will be 3. Again we have to consider squaring both sides. So I will write u square plus v square equal to 3. We will put power to both sides to find the value of u power 4 plus v power 4. We will write here u power 4 plus v power 4 plus 2 times u square v square, which we can write 2 times uv whole square equal to 9. Now we know the value of u times v. It is negative 1. So we will write here u power 4 plus v power 4 plus 2 times negative 1 whole square equal to 9. So we can write u power 4 plus v power 4 plus 2 equal to 9. So the value of u power 4 plus v power 4 will be 9 minus 2, which is 7. Now we have to consider squaring once again. So we'll write u power 4 plus v power 4 equal to 7. We'll put power to both sides. So we'll be able to write u power 8 plus v power 8 plus 2 times uv whole power 4 must be equal to 49. Now u times v is negative 1. So here I will put negative 1. We'll get u power 8 plus v power 8 plus 2 times negative 1 whole power 4 equal to 49. So we'll be able to write here u power 8 plus v power 8 plus 2 equal to 49 or 49 minus 2 in the RHS. Value will be 47. Now we have all the terms known. So I will write here a times uv whole power 16 equal to u power 8 plus v power 8 times u power 4 plus v power 4 times u square plus v square times u plus v. Now we have to plug in all the values. If I will write all the values over here, then u times v minus 1. So here we can write minus 1. U power 8 plus v power 8. This is 47 as we have calculated. U power 4 plus v power 4. Value was 7. U square plus v square. This was 3. U plus v is 1. Only we need to put all the calculation part. So I will write a times minus 1 whole power 16 equal to 47 times 7 times 3 times 1. Minus 1 raised to even power is 1. So we'll write a only in left hand side. In RHS, we'll multiply these two numbers. We will write 329. We'll multiply these two numbers. We'll write here 3. So we can easily get 987. This is the value of A. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.